Did you know that berries are among the most powerful antioxidant-rich foods you can eat? Today, we're diving into why these tiny fruits pack such a big punch. Get ready to discover the top 3 berries you should include in your diet. At number 3, we have strawberries. Not only are they deliciously sweet, but they're also loaded with vitamin C and flavonoids, which help combat inflammation and protect your heart. But wait, there's more. Coming in at number 2, we have blueberries. Known for their deep blue color, these berries are rich in anthocyanins, believed to improve brain function and memory. They're small but mighty in their ability to fight off oxidative stress. And now, the number 1 berry that tops our list is the mighty goji berry. Often called a superfood, goji berries are high in zeaxanthin, an antioxidant renowned for protecting your eyes against age-related damage. Adding these vibrant berries to your meals can be a game-changer for your health. So, which of these berries is your favorite? Comment below and let us know. And don't forget to check out our next video for more incredible superfoods that can revolutionize your diet. The power of berries is immense, and they truly deserve the crown as antioxidant kings.